So we're starting a very special video. Do you remember the first video we ever did?
We're camping! Camping, yes we are.
We're here again and we're going camping. And this time we're actually going to attempt to film the whole thing. Let's get the tent set up. By the way, we're not going to be filming everything because obviously we're here to like camp and stuff. But we're going to show you quite a bit. You ready? Let's go. Right now we're cooking dinner. It's actually quite late. It's like
this could get hairy.
It's like 9:15, and we're cooking pasta.
Can we turn it on?
Yeah, one of the.
We've got that's fires too.
Turn it on?
Yeah. Hey.
Huh?
And then fill it up with water.
Yep.
Can
you? Now I'm gonna try how to be like actual YouTuber and try and open things.
Have a knife.
I'm just going to show you once we've finished cooking or if anything funny happens. Because this is going to be hard. This will require a lot of work. See you in a bit. I'm going to go first up with water.
We were walking back down and these horses, they just started charging across the field at full speed.
Yeah, I'll show you some of that tomorrow when it's a bit lighter. We're here on a farm and loads of horses and chickens and sheep. We're planning on steering some of the horses and going horse riding.
No, we're not.
I'm not sure if you can hear me because this is quite loud, but this is going quite well. It's actually nice on camera. The stuff is going to have burst a bit, but there we go.
If you can go to my bag, so in the tent car pod, in the front pocket of the Pokemon bag, I think there's a head port.
Hey, cheese!
Frying pan's still sliding away.
Yeah, it's got a bit wonky. So about halfway done being cooked. Camping hot dogs are served. You guys, you'll have to give a review of Jay's cooking. These guys are doing a great job of helping out with cooking, aren't they?
I thought more people
So these are hot dogs. If you want, I can always help you. If you want. I meant with eating the sausages, not serving it up. But I can help with serving it up as well.
Cut that one. Fell apart. Chainsaw massacres happened.
So you have to give a review of the hot dog, Mum.
Hot.
It's hot. That's your first.
That's really annoying we forgot those mugs. I was really looking forward to having a hot dog.
Yeah, we forgot so much stuff, but we also forgot some of the tent pegs. What do you think?
Good.
Where should I put this? It's not
You got the
gonna
review.
What are you doing down there? You're supposed to
Honey
stay
just
on
tripped
your feet.
over one of the wires.
She keeps on going, ow, ow. Was it meow, meow?
You okay?
Ow,
Yeah,
now,
fine.
brown cow.
Good night, Emma.
What did you trip over?
Just fell over.
What did you do? What are you drinking?
Sorry, guys. I woke up a few minutes ago. Completely forgot we were filming a vlog. But this is our second day camping. And today we're going to go to the beach. My night's sleep was okay. I woke up a couple of times, but I was so hot when I woke up. I thought I was being toasted. So I'm just waiting. This is our toilet right here. It's like a compost toilet. It's basically, you don't flush, you just pour a little compost. Not the nicest thing, but it's better than nothing. And yeah, like I said, today we're going to the beach. See ya at the beach. Oh, first we're gonna have breakfast. Now we're cooking our breakfast. We're cooking bacon sandwiches. Lovely conversation to have in the background of our video. I promise you're going to be happy that you can't hear it. That was a horrible conversation to have whilst handling food. You guys are making a great conversation for the video. Run away quicker. If anyone wants me to work in the kitchen, just come get me. By the way, I'm doing this with my left hand, please do not judge me. My left hand is very weak and so rubbing quickly together. Oh no. Thank you, Emma, I didn't actually think of that. I honestly did not think of asking someone to film this.
Who wants to butter some roll or bread?
I volunteered Mamie and Mam since they didn't help last night. Oh, okay, I volunteered Mamie. It stinks, this cooker. Oh, it's like small pizza.
Smoky.
Oh, there's a lot of snow! But
When you listen, you can hear that. And then there's little.
this is the finished product. Bacon and sandwiches. And I can tell you what I think. So, let's try it. It's really nice, but because the bacon's so hot, it's falling apart. But it's good. I just skipped to a spike in her shoe and Jay got it out. A man has managed to get a fishing hook lodged in her shoe somehow.
Probably didn't focus. But...
Oh, well done,
Who
ma'am.
wants a fishing hook? Anybody want a fishing hook?
We can go fishing at the beach because we are going to go to the White Cliffs of Dover. Yeah! See you there.